Assalamualaikum, my name is Syeda Manahil. I have obtained 1066 marks in FSC. I have secured 3rd position in Federal Board. I have studied in Kips campus located in Wakhan. My father is a government officer and my aim is to become a doctor and serve my country inshallah.
You must be a good student at your college. Why did you opt Kips evening coaching?
Kips is a highly reputed institution, well known for matric and FSC preparations. That's why I opt Kips evening coaching.
What specific advantages did you receive at Kips evening coaching, which helped you achieve this great victory?
Kips' best test schedule, well-organized test discussions, the best methodology adopted by the teachers, and the most competitive environment are some of the advantages that helped me to achieve this great victory.
Is brilliance natural, or is it acquired? How did Kips evening coaching help you become brilliant?
Brilliance is innate obviously, but it can be polished from time to time through hard work, consistency and dedication. My teachers and Kips staff helped me a lot in polishing my brilliance.
Who is your favorite scientist and why?
My favorite scientist is Dr. 𝐚𝐡𝐚𝐢𝐧 due to his great contributions in making Pakistan a nuclear power.
Would you agree that Kips evening coaching helped you to achieve conceptual clarity rather than rote learning?
Kips teachers focus more on clearing the concepts of the students. They are all the time available to answer our queries. Kips tests are also concept-based. This conceptual learning helped me a lot in answering my questions in a better way in the final board exam.
Would you recommend Kips evening coaching to any of your siblings or friends? And what 3 benefits will you share with them to join?
I will definitely recommend Kips evening coaching to my friends and siblings because teachers in the Kips are really remarkable. It is a well-organized system and the test-taking strategy adopted by Kips plays a very important role in increasing the potentials of the students to achieve higher marks in FSC.
How did Kips evening coaching help you to convert your weaknesses into strengths and enhance your potential to score higher in board exams?
When I joined Kips, my paper presentation wasn't good and my writing speed was very slow, but Kips daily tests and monthly assessments helped me a lot in increasing my speed as well as improving my presentation that really proved very beneficial in my final board exams.
Kips publications provide supplementary study material. How beneficial you found the Notes series, the Objective series, and other supplementary study material in your preparations.
Kips supplementary study material is really very good. Things are written very concisely and in a precise manner, and it really helps us a lot in presenting our answers really very well in the exams.
Which of the following factors played the vital role in your success and why? System itself, experience, innovations, student care.
The system itself played a very vital role in my success. The teaching staff as well as the management staff in Kips is trained very well to entertain the students in a well manner. Kips' professional attitude and best preparation strategies helped in boosting my potential, which led to the ultimate success in board exams.
How revision and test session in particular helped you to maximize your potential and further strengthening your preparation to achieve best results.
When we join R&D session in KIPS, we are provided with a test schedule and we have to take a lot of tests per month. After each test, a discussion is held in which our weaknesses are addressed. This helped me a lot in identifying my loopholes, and this final sprint played a vital role in strengthening my preparation for final board exams.
How was your experience with KIPS online study system?
KIPS LMS system entertains us as in the physical classes. Proper video lectures are available there along with a bundle of MCQs for our practice. We can check our daily progress from the stats as well as our position from the leaderboard. It is one of the most remarkable online systems I have ever seen.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.